What's up, guys? Back with another video. Got some parts in today for bucket. Just did a quick unboxing video. And here's the parts that we got. Let me know what you guys think. This is the 2003 to 06, I guess, custom grill. I'm gonna get some body work done to it and shave the center piece off, and then find me a billet insert that goes here and here. And when the truck got crashed, it ruined both of the headlight brackets and everything, so we got 2 of those in, and that's kind of it for right now. Got these little corner pieces that go on the bottom of the grill, and these are the side pieces that are basically paint to match, I guess. But it took me forever to find this grill. I was looking forever. I thought everybody was building these grills, and I found this one online and came out pretty great. I hope I like it whenever it's put on the truck.